Graphene Manufacturing Group, GMG, is a clean technology company focused on producing graphene powder and developing energy-saving storage solutions. And with me is the founder and CEO, Craig Nicol. Great to talk to you this morning, Craig.
Great to be here. Thank you so much for your time.
So, proprietary graphene production is your core comparative advantage. Explain what it is you're doing and what makes the company unique.
Yeah, thanks. So we developed over the last 10 years our own way of making graphene, which is a carbon nanomaterial from natural gas, which is really something different to the market. Almost all other producers make graphene from graphite. Natural gas is obviously a lot cheaper and it's readily available. And it becomes a very low cost, but a very high quality product. And that graphene that we make is very good at heat transfer, which is fundamentally, why we keep pushing in the markets we do, and why our graphene is so good at what it does.
And my understanding is this helps with cost reduction for businesses.
That's right. So we have 4 products we put our graphene into, and that graphene, we make a graphene coating for air conditioners, for data centers, for refrigeration, and that makes energy savings possible, large energy savings possible for large data center companies, obviously, who have got big cooling bills. We can make that heat move faster and therefore save money. Also, same for our graphene additive for engine oils. We can save fuel costs for engine users like big truck fleets and others, engine powered providers. And then we also have a next generation battery, which is also using a graphene to move heat out. So it's much faster charging battery.
Yeah. Well, and I feel like these are huge macro trends, the data centers, the battery storage. I mean, what are you seeing in terms of just the growth in those areas?
Yeah, certainly in the last few months, it's been very topical. People's energy bills. No one likes to pay more for fuel or energy. And we're certainly in the throes of some very large companies who want to look at saving energy, also saving emissions, getting more out of their equipment. And our products, which are patented, give them that option, which pretty much no other company or no other product out there does that. So it's really genuine once application for the coating, and then once every time you change your oil, you can genuinely get double-digit energy savings in these applications, which is enormous bill of money saved.
And talk a little bit about the product and the research that went into it. How long did it take, and what brought you to the point where now you're ready to market and sell the product?
Yeah, so it's been taking about 10 years to be able to get to the. We're an Australian company, but we are globally focused. We have salespeople around the world. We have now more salespeople than anybody else in the team. We're quite proud about that, and we'll continue to grow our sales focus around the world. So we've gone from a 10 years of R&D, working with some of the best universities in the world to develop these products, which are now in production. We have the battery still in under development, but it is. We expect that to be coming out of development shortly. And so it's quite an exciting period where we're basically coming through into working through large distributors and large companies and seeing how our products can fit into their companies and their products for them to save energies and save money and also make their products better.
And you mentioned globally that you've got salespeople all over. Are there particular geographic regions that you're active in, that you're seeing growth, and what kind of government regulations? Like, how does all that fit into the picture?
Yeah, so we have a large sales team in Europe, and Europe has really kicked off this year, and I think Europe will be quite big for us. Asia is Japan, Korea, India has had some works for some time, and also Southeast Asia. Also, Australia is quite big for us. There's a lot of fuel used in Australia. We are a fuel energy exporter. America has just started because we've just got our EPA approval. That took us more than 2 years to get. So we're very proud about that, just for our coating. So we're just starting to put everything in place around America. But Americas will be big for us because there are a lot of companies in America very interested in what we do. We are talking to the biggest air conditioning manufacturers, the biggest data center manufacturers, the biggest data center operators. They're all interested to see how our graphene coating can very low cost, long term save their energy bills an enormous amounts of money.
And talk about that coating a little bit, because my understanding is with the batteries, the next gen battery, that you can charge in 6 minutes. I mean, that would be
Yeah, that's right. Yeah,
transformational.
so imagine your phone charging in 6 minutes. Well, that's what our battery can already do. So really, the battery is targeted at high charging rates. It's long life, high charge battery, and that battery is very unique. There's very few, if not really any battery that's in this space right now. It uses aluminium and not lithium. There's no copper in it as well, and it uses our graphene to take the heat away inside the battery. So it's a really genuine business case, blue sky. There is really not much competition in that space in terms of new tech. There's some existing tech which is quite expensive, and we're really quite a breath of fresh air for our customers. There's a lot of big companies wanting to see that go out into the market. We're already working with Rio Tinto, the largest mining company in the world, one of the largest mining companies in the world, to be able to use it in their large trucks. And so there are many other applications. Planes, trains, automobiles are in our range, and it's very exciting because what you've got there is just really something that's so different to everything else out in the market that it creates a great reaction even on the first conversation.
Well, and you mentioned no lithium, right? So does that reduce the fire hazard?
Yeah, that's substantially reduced fire hazard. The lithium is definitely the biggest part of a lithium battery fire. The fire hazard does a lot, genuinely come from lithium. We obviously got to manage the full totality of the battery. We've got to make sure it's safe regardless. But aluminium is a lot safer. It's a lot more abundant. It's 1,000 times more abundant than lithium, a lot cheaper. So there's many other good things, and obviously a lot more environmentally sound on many fronts. So that's another part of it. The fact that the battery charges in 6 minutes and it's reliably so for many hundreds of cycles, and we expect it to go for many thousands of cycles eventually, which we'll push through this year. And we hope to sending out customer samples this year and get into production next year. So that's the time frame. We've spent 4 years to get to where we are. We are definitely the market leaders in this space. Our joint development partners are telling us so, and we aim to keep that so. So we'll keep developing it as we keep talking to our customers and under testing. But yeah, that 6 minute charge cycle, that's I think going to be our claim to fame.
Well, that would absolutely be a game changer. I think, speaking from just what I hear in the US, that's one of the things that's slowing the adoption is just the time it takes to charge. And so the science behind this product is absolutely fascinating. And so I guess in terms of the sales, and then what else are you looking for? Like, what's in your near term strategy?
Yeah, so now that we've got an EPA approval for our coating, we have a large distributor in America called Nicol, which we're working through. They've got 4,000 ship tos. We're looking at a number of large distributor deals in Europe and Asia, and we have a number of other types of manufacturers and different types of, say, engine oil blending manufacturing companies as well. So those deals are making their way through. We've had a number of air conditioning companies we've been working with for some time. And so we'll start to see more of those deals come out. That's why we have so many salespeople, because we need them. It's a very active space. I think at some point we will start to show, what's our joint venture go-to market for our battery. That is going to be quite important, and there could be something around that in the coming near term. And then there's an additive that we have for lithium-ion batteries, which makes lithium-ion batteries faster charging, just with a small additive with our graphene. And so, that is probably going to be our dark horse, and that's one that we want to see really get pushed along this year and start come out with some deals on that as well, which I think we really quite transformational around how fast you can charge even lithium-ion batteries with just a tiny bit of our graphene.
Yeah. Well, Craig, you've done the hard work. Now another hard work begins, but
Hmm.
what an interesting space to be in right now. So thank you so much, Craig Nicol from the Graphene Manufacturing Group, GMG.